Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I thought I'm gonna install the new steering wheel that we got a few weeks ago from Competition Motorsport down in Des Moines when I was down there. I decided to go with this one here. This is the OMP WRC. I was debating about going with suede, but I ended up going with the leather one. You can see it has a little dip in there, dish or whatever they say that is. But we're gonna hook it up to our Sparko hub, and I tried to install it earlier, and I ran into something I didn't realize. It's about those holes here. First off, we have a little notch that is supposed to be on the top of the steering column there. But those holes, as you maybe can see, they're not the same. Like this one is closer to the inside than that one, so it's a little hassle to actually line them up. I tried to put the hub on first, but I decided to just take it off and install it here, and then we can put it on the car, so that makes it a little bit easier. So let's see. Yeah, so those lines up somewhat good, so we can start. Just put the screws in and just to get them in there, and then we can adjust it when we get it and put it in the car. So it's not too much to it. This is a 3mm Allen wrench that we're using. I don't know if that's the standard size for those bolts or for the steering wheel, but at least for this one it's a 3mm, and the bolt for the steering column is an 18mm. So we're gonna install that and torque it down to 30 foot-pounds. At least now we get it on, and now we can get back in and install it. And you might have seen in my other videos how when I took the old steering wheel off, I noticed that those little plastic pieces here that's supposed to hold this ring in, it was broken off on all three of them. So I'm gonna just install it and then see if it stays on. That's for the connection for the horn, so we have that. And if that doesn't work, they wanted, I believe, over $100 for this little piece. So if it doesn't work, we might just install a horn and a different button instead of in the middle here. So let's see if we can keep going here and get this steering wheel installed. that torque down. Now we can tighten those here. All right, that was it. And then we're gonna install the horn button here. That's for the center. There we go. All right, and that's it. Now we get a little closer to our finished. So that's all the tools you need is 18 millimeter and 3 millimeter Allen wrench. Of course it comes with instruction, but that's pretty super easy to install. But yeah, so we got this done, and we're gonna keep going. Can't wait to get back on the road and see how it runs, but we're gonna still working on our wiring harness and get the dashboard on. So well, that's installation we did today. It just took a few minutes. So just if you take your steering wheel off, and make sure you take your battery cables off, and because if you are hooked up to the airbag, you don't want that to go off. So this is for today. Feel free to click that subscribe button and like if you like this content. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.